Hey, productivity enthusiasts and task tacklers. Welcome to today's video, where we're about to dive headfirst into the world of virtual assistants, a realm where your skills become your currency, and your passion for organization becomes your income generator. Have you ever thought, I could totally help someone manage their tasks and make their life easier? Well, get ready to open the door to a virtual career that's all about making a difference while earning from the comfort of your cozy workspace. Let's dive right into the essentials and unravel the concept of virtual assistants. At its core, virtual assistants is a dynamic realm where your skills and expertise manifest as a remote lifeline for bustling entrepreneurs, dedicated professionals, and thriving businesses. It's about shouldering a diverse array of responsibilities, spanning from essential administrative tasks that keep operations smooth to delving into intricate specialized projects that demand your unique talents. This multifaceted role thrives on your ability to seamlessly integrate into various workflows, providing a seamless support system that allows your clients to focus on what they do best. In this digital age, virtual assistants becomes the bridge that connects your capabilities with the needs of those who seek efficiency, productivity, and a reliable partner in their journey to success. You won't need a fancy office, just a trusty computer, a reliable internet connection, and a set of skills that align with the tasks you're about to conquer. Emails being managed, appointments being scheduled, and research being conducted, all while sipping your favorite brew. Virtual assistants are the maestros of multitasking. Let's talk about a virtual assistant's not-so-secret weapon, communication. In the realm of remote work, your ability to navigate virtual communication tools is akin to wielding a powerful tool that keeps the gears of productivity turning smoothly. Whether it's video calls, emails, chat platforms, or project management software, your mastery over these tools becomes the glue that binds you and your clients. But it's not just about the technicalities, it's about the art of keeping clients in the loop, maintaining open lines of communication, and fostering a sense of collaboration even in the digital landscape. Your updates, clarifications, and prompt responses are the threads that weave a seamless workflow tapestry. They ensure that everyone is on the same page, every step of the way. In a world where face-to-face interactions have transitioned into pixels on a screen, your adeptness at virtual communication becomes a superpower that bridges distances and transcends barriers. It's the essence of your partnership with clients, a partnership that thrives on clear exchanges, mutual understanding, and the shared goal of achieving remarkable outcomes, regardless of the miles that separate you. Now, let's talk about the magic of task management. Tools like Trello, Asana, and others keep you organized and ensure that deadlines are met with finesse. Ready to find your clients? Online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and social media networks serve as your launchpad. Your profile is your pitch, make it shine. Here's the real gem. You're not just checking tasks off a list. You're a partner in your clients' endeavors. Understanding their goals and integrating seamlessly into their workflow sets you apart. And here's the beauty of it all. Every industry needs virtual assistants. From small startups craving support to established businesses outsourcing tasks, your skills are the bridge. So, there you have it, a sneak peek into the dynamic universe of virtual assistants. Whether you're streamlining operations, managing social media, or providing specialized expertise, your contribution is invaluable. If you're as pumped up about this opportunity as I am, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more game-changing insights. Until next time, keep organizing, thriving, and rocking the virtual assistants landscape. Catch you on the flip side.